About this item: allow to connect HDMI devices that have built-in HDMI ports, like HDTV, PlayStation 3, up converter, DVD player, satellite boxes, LCD monitor and projectors. Connect your Blu-ray player, cable box, Apple TV, Roku, PS4, Xbox One, computer or other HDMI compatible device to your HDTV, display or projector. Supports 4K, UHD, 3D, 48-bit deep color and audio return channel. Premium cable engineered with molded strain relief connectors for durability and grip treads for easy plugging and unplugging. Gold-plated HDMI connectors for fast charging. Shielded cable reduces radio frequency interference, RFI, and electromagnetic interference, EMI, and excess noise. Important note: 1. Only support can provide charging, cannot pass the video data. 2. Can be used for charging from USB port to device like hard disk with HDMI port. Not workable for charging from HDMI port to USB port. In the description to get